Hurry up. Is it this way or that way? Now, which way, left and right, is it?
Hope it works. Yeah, we don't even know if it's gonna work.
I think it's here.
So, you wanna try that? Oh. Don't break it, okay?
Now this.
We got it?
This is to protect.
Don't go yet. This working, Martine?
Take a picture of her by the rocket.
Yeah.
How do you know if this is working, Martine?
Before we lose the rocket, let's get back farther.
It's not counting, so I don't know.
When you push, you keep going.
So
I already pushed.
Yeah, because it'll be.
Okay, never mind.
All right. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna count down. You put the firing pin in. Then you count 5. Say everybody clear. I want you to say it loud. You go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then say blast off. Okay? All right, you ready? Put it in.
Okay.
Don't go until you push this. Do it now. You have to push both of them. I'm gonna put it down.
Okay. It's March 14th, 2010, and Grandpa and Lucas are going to launch a rocket that they built.
Everybody clear?
Terry, get clear over there.
Can I film?
All right.
Wait, or I'll move over here. Let me move over here. Okay, let me get out of the way so I don't get hurt.
Everybody clear?
Everybody's clear, all right. You ready to push them? Go put your finger over. And you count down.
5,
Louder.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh.
I thought I saw smoke.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are it working?
Wow. All right. Well, it's got to have a light. Like you said, the light shows that it's pushing down.
Okay, let's hope it works. See.
Right now, we even got it off the launch pad. I'll pull that one in and you push the other. Until that's in, and the lights.
Oh, I can't see. Where is it? I can't see. Here.
Awesome!
Here. Can you see it? You do it. Here, you do it.
There it goes.
Where?
It's headed that way.
There
Can you
is.
see it? I can't see. Oh my God.
See that
That's way
orange?
up there.
Look up. What are...
Where is it? Uh-oh. Now we gotta go find it, Lucas. Where is it? Look at me. Where's the rocket?
Over there.
Did it go over the houses?
No.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Let's go find it, okay? Let's see. ¿Dónde está?
Poppy find it?
Yeah. Mira.
He did?
I think he found it. Let's see. Come here. Let's go. There it is. We found it. Cool. There it is. Cool. Dáselo, Lucas. Lucas, come here. Let me see. Come show the camera. Where was it? On the sidewalk? Wait, I want to film you guys. Let me see. Is it broken or is it okay?
It's okay.
Oh, awesome. We found it. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Let me see. How does it look, Lucas?
Cool.
What does it have? What did you say?
Fuel.
Where? It still has fuel?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show the camera.
When I smell it, it's gross.
Does that mean we can reuse it or we have to buy a new one?
I don't know.
Like fuck.
No.
Well.
It smells gross.